Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, look at this. Yes, aloe vera all over the place. And she's not the only one who's giving babies. Where is she? Okay, here she goes. Here, this one is giving two babies. Has two babies so far. But I gotta put it in a bigger pot. I want to see if I could put it like in a long pot like this one. And I was planning to put it over there where I have the other one, the how you call it, the long one like this, but it's bigger. But the problem is that the chickens are getting in there, and they destroy everything there. They put eggs. I already took out 3 eggs, put it in the refrigerator. Of course, I'm not gonna throw them out. I'll eat them. But I'm gonna get this fixed. You know, we're already thinking about getting it fixed, and we're gonna put the same brown squares that I have over there. We're gonna put it all over this thing here, and we're just gonna leave a little area like this, you know, from here down. We could put one removable, like I have that piece that is removable, and I just move it when I need to put how you call it, when I need to I forgot. Whoa, when I need to put water in it. Oh Lord, when I need to put water in it. I just got up. I'm still a little sleepy, so I think that's what's the problem. But I'm up. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.